Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check whether the Windows Hypervisor is running in Windows 11. Before we begin, let's briefly look at what the Windows Hypervisor is. The Windows Hypervisor is Microsoft's Type 1, or bare metal, hypervisor that runs directly on the physical hardware. It provides the virtualization layer that enables Windows to create and manage isolated execution environments, known as partitions. The Windows Hypervisor securely isolates these partitions from one another and manages the allocation of system resources, including virtual processors, memory, and virtual devices. The first partition created is called the root partition, which hosts the Windows operating system and manages the physical hardware through the Windows Hypervisor. Additional partitions, known as child partitions, are used to host guest operating systems. These child partitions access only virtual hardware provided by the Windows Hypervisor, allowing multiple operating systems to run simultaneously while remaining securely isolated from one another. Now, let's check whether the Windows Hypervisor is currently running on Windows 11. Open the Start menu and type System Information in the search box. Then, select Run as Administrator to open System Information with administrative privileges. If prompted by User Account Control, select Yes to allow System Information to run with administrative privileges. Once the System Information window opens, make sure System Summary is selected in the left pane. Then, in the right pane, scroll to the bottom of the System Summary information and look for the entry labeled A Hypervisor has been detected. Features required for Hyper-V will not be displayed. If this message appears, it indicates that the Windows Hypervisor is currently running on the system. If the message does not appear, the Windows Hypervisor is not running. And that's it. We have successfully checked whether the Windows Hypervisor is currently running in Windows 11 using the built-in System Information tool. This is a quick and convenient way to verify the hypervisor status without using any third-party software. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.